Hello, and welcome to this week's craft. This week, we're going to be making an Among Us and Pokemon Kaleidoscope origami craft. Let's get right into it. All you will need is the Among Us cutout paper, scissors, glue, and whatever coloring utensil you have. Now all you have to do to use the cutout is, well, cut around the edges and use it. After that, go ahead and color everything inside of those edges, and it'll look something like this. You want to make sure that the Among Us character colors are lined up in the row. See how green is at the bottom and pink is in the middle? Try to get them to line up. Now for the folding part. We are just going to be folding these lines first. Go ahead and flip the paper over and try your best to fold on these lines, creasing them extremely well so that they fit perfectly whenever we actually make the kaleidoscope. Also, when you're done with the first two lines on the bottom side, go ahead and flip it up top and do the next two lines. Now, let's go ahead and fold these lines, starting with this corner on the piece of paper. Next, we're going to be folding the paper up, starting from the bottom and making sure that it hits the edge perfectly. Then after that, taking two and folding it in the middle, once again making sure that it folds perfectly. Next, flip the other side and do the exact same thing. But this time, once you're done with that, go ahead and fold it in half. And now if you've done the folding correctly, it should look something like this. Now when you flip it over, when you take the two edges together, they should crease in, naturally forming a diamond shape. Now time for the gluing. Basically what you want to do is you're going to glue the inside of that diamond shape. It's going to look something like this. But the key thing to remember with this is to make sure that the glue is dry. Once the glue is dry, that's when you want to go ahead and start gluing the other diamond shape. Now with all that gluing, it should come out to look something like this. Now to get it together, you're going to glue the edges of the one side that has the flap sticking out. Once you have them glued, go ahead and put them into each other, the open side and the flap side, and make sure that it dries really well. Otherwise, it will fall apart. And there you go. You have your Among Us Kaleidoscope.